Hey everyone, just thought I would throw up a quick video to show how effective the Mastercraft maximum impact wrench is. It's a corded wrench. I'm using it away from power, so I have a Honda generator to run it. And I'm taking off some wheels that are, fairly dirty, been on for a while. Gonna put on some winter tires. And it's on a GMC 2500 heavy duty. So basically gives you an idea. They're all off. You can set the torque on this model. It's supposed to be set for 180 pounds to put them back on, so I have it bumped up to 200 to take them off. I test them all anyway with the hand wrenches to make sure, but sure saves a lot of time when you can pull all those nuts off in just a minute or less. Thanks.